वाग्विव संप्रक्तौ वागर्थ प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। नमः संस्कृताय। भवन्तः जानन्ति एव यत् अद्य सेठ एमआर जयपुरिया विद्यालये भवानी भारती अंतर्विद्यालयीय संस्कृत प्रतियोगिता आयोजयति। एतदर्थम् अत्र समवेताः वयम्।
अस्माकं मध्ये विशिष्टातिथिरूपेण सम्प्राप्ताः सन्ति श्रीमती अनामिका पाण्डे महोदया। एताः महोदया स्वास्थ्यसेवायां कृत भूरि परिश्रमाः सन्ति। वरिष्ठ सार्वजनिक स्वास्थ्य विशेषज्ञाः सन्ति एवं सदस्य सन्ति सांख्यिकी अनुसंधान समिति, संपादकीय बोर्ड, इंडियन जर्नल ऑफ सर्जरी। मुख्यातिथिरूपेण विराजमानः सन्ति श्री भारत भूषण त्रिपाठी महोदया। अस्माकं जयपुरिया विद्यालयस्य संस्कृत विभागस्य अभिभावकाः सरलहृदया स्वनामधन्या प्रोफेसर संपदानंद मिश्र महोदया।
सेठ एमआर जयपुरिया विद्यालये गोमतीनगरस्य द स्कूल ऑफ कॉन्शियस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन उपाध्यक्षा श्रीमती अंजलि जयपुरिया महोदयायां यासां संस्कृत भाषां प्रतिनिष्ठा आदरस्य एवं फलमस्ति यत् अद्य एतादृशी बृहती प्रतियोगितायाः आयोजनं जायते। अस्मिन्नेव क्रमे अस्माकं मध्ये स्वस्वनां धन्या विद्वांसाः नीरक्षीरविवेकिनाः निर्णायकमण्डलाः उपस्थिताः सन्ति।
विद्यालयस्य यशस्वी प्राचार्यां श्रीमती प्रोमिनी चोपड़ा महोदया, उपाचार्य आशा महोदया, दीपावाही महोदया, नेहा सिंह महोदया, जयता महोदया, अन्येपि सर्वे अध्यापकानां, आगतानां, अतिथीनां, छात्राणाम् अहं शौर्य खण्डेलवाल,
अहं व्योमेश तिवारी
हार्दिकं स्वागतम्, अभिनन्दनं, वन्दनं च करोमि। इदानीं श्री वल्लभाचार्यस्य मधुराष्टकं छात्राः प्रस्तुष्यन्ति।
विघ्नविघाताय भगवती सरस्वती वंदनां नृत्यं भविष्यति। विद्यालयस्य प्राचार्यां निवेदयामि यत् ते मञ्चे आगत्य प्रोफेसर भारतभूषण त्रिपाठी महोदयानाम् एवं श्रीमती अनामिका पांडे महोदयां वस्त्रेण पुष्पगुच्छैः स्वागतं कुर्युः इति।
अधुना अहं विद्यालयस्य कुशलनेतृत्व शक्तिसम्पन्नां प्राचार्यां श्रीमती प्रोमिनी चोपड़ा महोदयां विनिवेदयामि यत् ते आगत्य अतिथीनां समेषां वागपुष्पैः स्वागतं भाषणं कुर्यादिति। श्रीमती प्रोमिनी चोपड़ा महोदया।
Suprabhatam, Vande Mataram. I warmly welcome our most revered chief guest, Professor Bharat Bhushan ji, and our guest of honor, Dr. Anamika Pandey, and our most precious and most revered mentor, Dr. Sampadanand Mishra ji, without whose support we would not have seen this day. I am truly thankful to all the judges for their presence and to all the school principals for sending their children and the teachers who have accompanied them, the entire Sanskrit department. बच्चों, इससे पहले कि मैं आगे बोलूं, मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप सब लोगों ने भवानी भारती पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा, या सिर्फ जो श्लोक आपने चुने हैं सिर्फ वो लर्न किए। अच्छा, भवानी भारती है क्या?
भवानी भारती महर्षि अरविंद द्वारा रचित एक लघु कविता है। यह कविता देशभक्ति से ओत-प्रोत 99 श्लोकों में है।
वेरी गुड। चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज द एसेंस ऑफ दिस पोएट्री? These 99 shlokas that have been written by Sri Aurobindo, what is the essence of them?
Through these sloks, Sri Aurobindo has taken the roop of Mata Kali, and she is conveying her children's us that how should we protect her. She is telling us the pain, the anger she has created in herself from Britishers.
Very right. Why was it written? क्यों लिखी गई थी?
भवानी भारती काली का आवाहन करने के लिए लिखी गई थी। महर्षि अरविंद ने जब देखा कि हमारे देश में दुष्टों ने भवानी को रौंद दिया है अपने लघु से, अपने दुष्ट कर्मों से, तो उन्होंने माता काली का आवाहन किया है।
Very good. Thank you. So the poetry expresses the sentiment of Bharat Mata, and Bharat Mata is in deep pain because she feels that her children are sleeping. वो इतनी तकलीफ में है और उनके बच्चे, कौन है भारत माता के बच्चे? हम सब, राइट? और उनके बच्चे उनकी पेन को, उनके दर्द को समझ नहीं रहे, तो वो उन सबको जागरूक बना रही हैं और उनको झकझोर रही हैं कि काली जैसी शक्ति तुम में है, तो तुम सब क्यों सोए हो? Now children, this was written at the time when we were oppressed. आज के टाइम में रेलेवेंट है रेलेवेंट? आज क्यों पढ़ना है इसको? वो तो ख़त्म हो गया, अब तो आज़ादी मिल गई, अब कुछ करने के लिए बचा है? Can anyone of you tell me?
All the sacrifices that a freedom fighter and the others like great Maharshi Aurobindo Ghose has done to know how we achieve this freedom. It was a long struggle full of there was a time when we were under the British Empire and everybody was under their rule. But now how we achieve, how we gain our freedom, through this we gain.
Very good. So, what is Bharat Mata? Who is Bharat Mata?
She is the ideal for India.
She is the ideal for India. She is our mother.
Mother Earth.
Now, at home also you have a mother, right? She is the mother who has given birth to you. So, do you have any identity without your mother? A family's name is associated with you, right? Somebody is Mishra, someone is Chopra, somebody is Singhal. So, that is your family's name. That is your mother's identity, that is your father's identity, your parental identity, and that becomes your identity. But all of us have a common identity. What is that common identity? Yes, कि हम सब भारतीय हैं और हमारी माँ कौन है? भारत माता. अब अगर हमारी माँ भारत माता है तो आज के समय में फ्रीडम तो हमको मिल गया, क्या हम पूरी तरीके से स्वतंत्र हैं बच्चों? किस किस चीज़ से स्वतंत्रता चाहिए?
We are not independent from our own worldly pleasures that we have here. There are emotions that we face, negative emotions. We are still not free from that state of mind.
So do you agree with her, children? Do you agree? Then a big round of applause for her. All right. अभी भी भारत माता को कोई दुख है कि नहीं है? है ना? और कौन कौन सा दुख हो सकता है भारत माता को? गरीबी
और अशिक्षा।
अशिक्षा, वेरी गुड।
सबसे पहले तो हमें आज़ादी चाहिए अपने मन से, ये चंचल मन, और ये जैसा कि ये कलयुग है, हमारे मन में शैतान भी है, भगवान भी है, तो इस शैतान से बचना होगा।
वेरी गुड।
Caste system and religion also.
Caste system and religion, religious bias, okay? Not religion, we don't want freedom from religion, religious bias, okay?
मैम भ्रष्टाचार से और लैंगिक असमानता से भी
वेरी गुड।
हमें
समानता और
आज़ादी चाहिए।
भ्रष्टाचार से। ऑल राइट, थैंक यू सो मच चिल्ड्रन, अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल द चिल्ड्रन। सो चिल्ड्रन, we have to understand that Maharishi Arvind, through this poetry, he has tried to arouse the sentiments of all Indians for Bharat Mata, and for us to have the drive to work so that Bharat Mata, the beautiful Bharat Mata as it is, becomes stronger, and we all, our primary aim is to work towards the satisfaction and towards the growth and progress of Bharat Mata. So today when you have come here, please understand Bhavani Bharati is not a competition. We have to bring about changes in our education system also. So usually when we talk about our education system, the first thing comes to mind is marks and competitions. It's only when we throw you into competitions, it's then that seriousness happens and we start learning things. That is why we have to call it a Bhavani Bharati competition. But in the name of this competition, we want you to know this poetry. More than that, we want you to understand the sentiment in this poetry, which is very, very relevant even in the present times. You all have said that Bharat Mata needs freedom from bondage, freedom from bias, and freedom from our own emotions which interfere with the progress of Bharat Mata, and to have a respect for Bharat Mata, to have such a sentiment that before anything else we place Bharat Mata. Whatever we do should not go against it, because we have to understand Bharat Mata is our identity and we have to protect that identity. We have to make it happier and also allow it to grow more and more so that it does not feel the pain it used to feel, which has been expressed in Maharishi Arvind's poetry. Today when you are participating in all these, when you are reciting the shlokas, keep them in your mind, and foremost keep that we are all Bharatiyas and Bharat Mata is our identity. That is the soul of this country. Thank you very much. All the best for the competition. Once again, thank you everyone for your presence.